Good morning, children. Let's start the last topic of your chapter number 1, and that will be starting a business. Right? Starting a business, here we are going to discuss about the basic factors which required to keep in mind by an entrepreneur before he or she start a business. Right? So it's basically we are talking here in this topic is that if you are going to start a business, what are the different kind of factor which we need to go through, which we need to consider before we start it, and these factors play a very important role at the time of giving profit to a entrepreneur if right thing has been anticipated. Right now, like for examples I can give you that what we are basically going to do is that if we start a business, or if any entrepreneur or enterprise business has been started, like he need to go through with certain resources studies, that what kind of resources are required for starting his business, what will be the objective, and how these resources are available for him, what will be the proportions of finance he has to invest into a business, what kind of location is required for him, what kind of business he need to start. So these all are what? These all are going to call as a factors. Factor for what? Factor for starting a business, or because these play a very important role during the time of contribution of profit. We say that the basic factors of starting a business. Right? So here a enterprise need to be very careful. He should be knowing that what kind of problem he will be facing if he is going with one particular kind of business, what will be the solution of these problem, and how he will encounter all these things. Right? So it's we are talking about a complete plan from an enterprise side before he or she start a business. So let's start with the topic starting a business, or basic factors required to start a business. Now the first factor which an enterprise need to be careful during the time of starting a business is selection of line of business. Selection of line of business basically means here enterprise basically means owner I am talking about. Right? It means business को start करने वाला. So in commercial language we called him enterprise. Right? So whenever any business is started, the enterprise need to be very careful during the time of deciding that what will be the nature of a business, what kind of business he is going to start. So that is called as selection of line of business. It means selection of line of business may what a owner is doing, he is deciding that which nature of business he need to start, and in which nature and kind of business he will be going. He will go through with that kind of business or nature where he will be able to get more profit. Like if I talk about the nature kind, we can, as an enterprise, we can go through with any business which is related with the industries like production, manufacturing, आप उसमें link हो सकते हो. Or we can also go with the commercial business or commerce. Commerce means where we will be providing the services, different kind of services, or where I can talk about transportation, communications, warehousing. These all are part of commerce. Right? So as an enterprise, which kind of business you will select? You will select that business where the greater amount of profit chances are for you. So this is the very important decision which enterprise need to take care. He has to take this after analyzing the different market situation and requirement also. He should be aware about the different technical knowledge also. He should be aware about his interest also. So after going through with all these things, then only a business enterprise has to keep in mind that what will be the line of business. It means उसका business किस तरह का business होगा. So this is the first basic factor which need to be considered before starting a business, that is selection of line of business. Right? Next is size of firm. This is the second factor which business enterprise need to keep in mind before starting a business, and this is very important factor, easy factor also. Like if you start a business, सबसे पहले आपको क्या देखना है कि आप कौन सा business start करोगे. Right? जिसमें आपको क्या होगा, ज़्यादा profit होगा, जिसमें आपको resources easily available हो जाएंगी. Right? जिसमें आपका interest है. or once that is decided, then you need to take a decision about the size of your business, size of your firm, or your scale of operation, you can say. So here two things are here, both meaning are same. One is size of the firm, आपकी फर्म का साइज़ कैसे होगा, बिगर लार्ज फर्म होगी आपकी या स्मॉल फर्म होगी, और द सेकेंड इज स्केल ऑफ ऑपरेशन. सो बोथ आर सिमिलर ओनली है. स्केल ऑफ ऑपरेशन बेसिकली मीन्स द बिजनेस विच यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी स्टार्टेड इन टू अ लार्जर स्केल ऑपरेशंस, लार्ज मैनर में ऑपरेशंस होंगे उसमें, या फिर एक स्मॉल टारगेटेड मैनर में ऑपरेशन होगा. So this is the second decision which need to be taken care by the business enterprise at the time of starting any kind of business, that whether he has to go through with a big size of firm or he need to go through with a smaller size, whether the operation which are going to be conducted inside the business enterprise should be in a longer manner or it should be in a short manner. So these are very important factor which he need to be careful during the time of taking decision. Now how a business, mostly this is just I'm giving you example how a business enterprise decide the size of the firm. Simply any person who is going to start a business has more money for investment, go with a larger size, or you can say with a size of larger size, or scale of operations are high over there. In case there is any person who has more confident about the demand of a market not going to be changed, who have more confidence that he is going to get profit in the business, can go with a longer or large operation size or a bigger firm size, right? And just opposite of that, if you have less money, so what we will do, we will start with the smaller size of operations. If we are little bit if we are having somewhere doubt, so what we will do, we will go through with the smaller size. In case losses occur, तो हमें ज़्यादा लॉस ना सफ़र करना पड़े. So this is the second decision need to be taken care, that is the size of the firm क्या होगा. Once the business का type decide हो गया है कि आप किस तरह का business करेंगे, आपने size of the firm decide कर लिया है, the third decision need to be taken care is choice of form of ownership. Now this is going to be the second chapter which we will be reading deeply about the different kind of ownership. Here you need to only understand that if you start a business organization, अगर हम एक business organization को start करते हैं, now ownership के भी different types होते हैं. Ownership means the owner कितने होंगे उसमें, simply you can understand here. After going through with the second chapter, it will be more clear to you, right? So you will be deciding whether you are the one who is going to invest money in your business, or you want to start your business as a form of partnership, you want to start your business as a form of family member business. So these all are a different kind of form of ownership business, right? So now here you need to take care, you need to decide whether you will be only investing money here, because in case you are going through with a sole proprietorship type of ownership firm, which we will be discussing in chapter number 2, SP, that basically means जिसमें कि business में सिर्फ एक ही owner होता है. One owner means one person is investing money and only one person is having the whole management things there. One person is having the whole responsibility, and in case profit and losses are occurring, it is only one single person who is going to bear out that. उसके अपोजिट हो गया आपका पार्टनरशिप, where you allowed another person also to invest in your business and take the partners, made them partners. They also invest money into the business according to their ratios, proportion, which is on the basis of shares, and then according to that only they also bear profit and losses of the business. So the third decision here is choice of form of ownership, कि business जो आप start कर रहे हैं उसकी ओनरशिप किस तरह की होगी. एक सिंगल ओनरशिप पे काम करेंगे आप, या फिर आप डबल या पार्टनरशिप ओनरशिप को यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी डिसाइडेड, ये भी डिसाइड होता किस बेसिस पे, on the basis of owner ability to start business. Owner ability to start business means owner के पास में फाइनेंस कितना अवेलेबल है, वो किस तरह के बिजनेस को स्टार्ट कर रहा है. So that is all the third factors. Now let's start with the fourth factor, and that is going to be called as location of business enterprise. Now it's called a very important factors at the time of starting a business which need to be taken care. This factor basically say that a business enterprise need to be very careful during the time of selection of the business place, right? It means where he will be setting up his factory or organization or a firm, he has to be very careful. Why? Because this can, if a wrong decision has been taken regarding the selection of the place, it can result a high cost of production. High cost of production can be in the sense like suppose you have taken a location, आपने एक business के लिए एक location select करी which is very away, right? जो resources आपको चाहिए वो resources से बहुत दूर है. Even for the employee, those who are required there, they have to come from a long away. So what is going to happen? Just because of you required raw material from a long away distance, you have to give extra charges for the transportations, right? So what is going to happen here? The cost of production is going to increase here. If you have set up an organization in that location where easily laborers are not available, what is going to happen? You need to hire the labor from outside, or either you have to arrange their staying also inside the firm. So this is going to increase your what? This is going to increase your expenses. ये आपके expenditures को increase करेंगे. If your expenses are going to increase during the time of production, what is going to happen? ये directly कहाँ effect करेगा? This is going to increase the cost of production also. So cost of production increase हुआ, that is going to increase the product prices also. Product of prices increase हुए, it is going to affect the purchasing power of the customer also, right? So what is happening here? If a wrong location has been selected by a business enterprise, it is going to affect negatively to the business. So a very careful decision need to be taken during the time of selecting the locations. You have to select that location where easily the raw material can be available, right? The labor can be available, where the power supply and other services like banking is there, transportation facility is there, communication facility is there, warehousing facility is there. These all facilities are easily available so that your expenditures can be reduced, right? So once location is selected, after that the next factor which need to be very careful by the business enterprise is financing and proposition. Now this is called as important factors here because everybody know that if you are talking about business में backbone और blood दोनों का काम कौन करता है? आपका finance करता है. If you don't have finance, you will be not in a position to start a business, or you will be not in a position to grow your business or expand your business or to compete in the market, right? So financing play a very important role. But when we are talking about financing here, it is basically telling us that before starting any kind of business, we need to consider the financing decision also. Financing decision basically say we need to be very careful about the capital requirement or the money which we need to invest in our business, right? If you are starting a business, you will be required certain assets also. So for this you will require certain capital also. So these all decision need to be taken care कि आपको किस तरह का business करना है, आपकी capital requirement कितनी होगी इन fixed assets में. Fixed assets आपके कौन से हो गए? जैसे आपकी land होगी, आपकी building होगी, machinery हो गई, या फिर आपके equipments होंगे, means which are going to give you profit for a longer period of time, right? or which are going to with you for a long period of time. करंट एसेट्स आपके क्या हो गए? जो डे टू डे के आपके एक्सपेंडिचर्स होते हैं में आपको लगाने पड़ते हैं, लाइक रॉ मटेरियल के लिए आपकी डेप्ट्स हो गए, आपके स्टॉक हो गया जो फिनिश गुड का हो गया. सो हेयर वी नीड टू टेक अ डिसीजन अबाउट the requirement of capital which will be required in the business day to day also for a longer period of time also, right? Plus we also need to take a decision that from where we will be able to arrange the capital. आप capital कहाँ से arrange करेंगे? It is not possible for a business enterprise कि वो पूरा का पूरा investment अपने ही pocket से कर ले. He need to go through with certain sources for arranging money or capital. So he have to go through with these different sources, and then he need to select the best sources of capital, right? So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? फाइनेंसिंग द प्रोपोजिशन में 3 स्टेप्स ले रहा है बिजनेस इंटरप्राइज. पहला, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टेकिंग दैट द ही इज़ फाइंडिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल. वो कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट को देख रहा है, यानी उसको बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए कितना कैपिटल चाहिए होगा, राइट? कितना कैपिटल उसको इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ रहा है वो उसको आइडेंटिफाई करेगा. Once that capital requirement is identified, then he will be searching the sources from where the capital will be raised. Sources it means कहाँ से उस कैपिटल को रेस करेगा, कहाँ से उस मनी को, फाइनेंस को वो ला सकता है. लाइक ही कैन टेक इट फ्रॉम बैंक, ही कैन टेक इट फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी इन योर लेटर ऑन स्टेज इन योर बुक. He can go through with any person who is providing loan. So these all are what, ये सारे sources होते हैं financing के. So the second thing, पहली capital requirement को identify करना. Second thing is to identify the different sources of capital available in the market. And then third is to select the or to utilize the best capital in the firm. यानी उसके बाद में जब उसने एक बार sources से capital ले ली है, बेस्ट वे में उस कैपिटल को फर्म में यूटिलाइज करना. दीज थ्री डिसीजन नीड टू बी टेकन इनटू दिस फैक्टर से. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फिजिकल फैसिलिटी. नाउ फिजिकल फैसिलिटी बेसिकली सेइंग इज दैट इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस वी विल रिक्वायर सर्टेन फिजिकल facility there, like we will require the machines there, we will require different kind of equipments there, we will require building there and different supportive services there. So these all are what, these all are required as a physical form. ये सब चीज़ें क्या होती हैं, फिजिकल फॉर्म में चाहिए होती हैं बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए. सो द डिसीजन हैज़ टू बी टेकन केयर हेयर बाय नेचर के अलावा, साइज़ के अलावा, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फंड्स के अलावा, हेयर the enterprise also need to take a decision about the what kind of physical facility need to be available. Next is plant layout. So here what is there, the requirement of physical facility determine हुई. Now here entrepreneur need to draw layout for the plan showing the arrangement of these facility. अब जो physical facility हमने identify की है कि हमें plants चाहिए, हमें machinery चाहिए, हमें equipment चाहिए, इस तरह की building चाहिए, उसके लिए एक layout बनेगा, right? तो इन फिजिकल फैसिलिटीज़ को प्रोवाइड कराने के लिए जो लेआउट बनेगा, लेआउट क्या है आपका, लेआउट बेसिकली मीन्स फिजिकल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ मशीनरी इक्विपमेंट्स नीडेड टू मैन्युफैक्चर अ प्रोडक्ट. इट मीन्स यहाँ पे व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग है, फिजिकल फैसिलिटी जो हमें चाहिए उसको उस इक्विपमेंट्स को फिजिकली अरेंज कराना, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज प्लांट लेआउट और लेआउट. नेक्स्ट इज कॉम्पिटेंट एंड कमिटेड वर्कफोर्स. नाउ इफ़ यू हैव बिल्डिंग विथ यू, if you have machinery with you, equipments with you, everything is with you, raw material, but if you don't have a good or committed people for working or committed workforce who can perform a different kind of activities, these all things are going to be wasted, right? So what we required here, according to our requirement of work, we required the interested people, the committed people who can work properly and who can get us a desired output also. So this is the another factor where a very important decision need to be taken from the person or the business enterprise, that what kind of people will be working over there. Next is tax planning. Now because government has lots of taxes even in the business organization also, here enterprise need to plan for the tax paying system also. Tax paying is these days, if you talk about these days, we need to pay out number of taxes into a country. Now because this book was printed earlier, so they have given more important for the number of taxes. Even we talk about GST here right now, so many taxes has been reduced, right? So tax planning is basically means the founder of business has to consider in advance कि उसकी tax liabilities कितनी होंगी government के लिए, how much he need to pay out to the government, how much he need to pay out tax as a law form. So according to this only he need to see whether he will be capable of paying the taxes or not. Next is launching the enterprise, and this is the last decision or final decision where actually we launch the enterprise. यहाँ पे हम actually business firm को क्या करते हैं, launch करते हैं. So after all the decision relating to the above factors are taken care, the enterprise has to go ahead with the actual launching of enterprise, which would means mobilizing various resources, fulfilling necessary legal formalities, starting the production process and initiating the sell promotion campaigning. Here what is basically happening, it means once all the above factors has been taken care and decision has been taken, then enterprise has to finally go into launching for the business firm. Launching for the business firm basically means he has to start mobilizing the resources available with him. He has to start fulfilling the different kind of legal formality which he need to do. Then production का work start करना है, and once the production work has been started, then he also has to go through with the promotion campaigning for the purpose of selling his product. So this is all about the different factors which need to be taken care बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस, राइट. आप इसे सिंपली समझ सकते हैं दैट दीज आर द डिफरेंट डिसीजन which need to be taken care by enterprise at the time of starting a business. So with this student, we have finished with our chapter number 1. In our Zoom class, we will be discussing about the whole chapter as a form of revision. Thank you.